If you want a rugged, crisp red dot that connects to any DeltaPoint Pro footprint without any flimsy adapters, the Olight SE DPP promises premium optic performance for half of what the big name brands cost. Now, absolutely nothing is perfect, so I'm going to talk to you about both the high points about this and the maybe not so high points about this, and try to give you a whole fair readout on it. I do need to tell you this was provided to me by Osight, but I have to say I've worked with them in the past. They don't give me any instructions about what to say. They're just like, try it out, show it to the people, and let them know what you think about it. And that's what we're going to do. Let's get into this thing and start talking about it. So the packaging is absolutely spectacular. They do a great job with that. Check this thing out. We're talking 775 T6 aircraft grade aluminum here. We're not joking around with this stuff. This is really nice. It is a 2 MOA red dot, which is very precise, along with that 32 MOA circle, which is really very cool. I want to talk to you about the windage and elevation adjustments, but before I can do that, I need their tool, and I want to show you this because this makes me happy every single time I touch it. Inside of this cool little kit with the package, let me show you, you can expect to get this tool I'm talking about. Check out the little skull face built into the tool. I'll show you that more up close. Comes with a battery and every kind of hardware possibly that you could imagine that you need to install this, all right in there ready to go. It is bizarre how happy this tool makes me, but it absolutely makes me every bit as happy as I'm saying. Look at that thing. That thing is wicked looking. I just love that. Now let me see if I could get this audio for you. I will shut up for 2 seconds because the adjustments for the windage and elevation are both really very crisp, and they have a nice haptic feel and a good audio click as you make each adjustment. Let me see if I could get that on my mic. It's a little hard to do, but I'm gonna try. Ready? Obviously, we all know these are teeny little screws, so if you're not hearing it, trust me, it both has a haptic feel in your hand, every adjustment, as well as a really positive click with every adjustment you make, which I do really appreciate because nobody loves that mushy, just twist it adjustment. That's terrible. Let's see if I could get a decent demonstration of that red dot for you. So I'm shooting this with an action camera. I think you should be able to see that, but it is super crisp and clear and so easy to pick up. It's just like, boom, and it's right there. Boom, and it's right there. That is freaking awesome. Now, if we want to switch it just to the red dot, we can adjust the brightness up. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and I'm just looking at that. So clear, so easy. Boom, right there, right? Or we could adjust the brightness down. Whatever works best for your eyes is what you're gonna set it at. All right, I switched it over to the red dot for you. That is just the red dot. There it is, so you can see that. Again, we could adjust the brightness. Look at that. Look how clear that is. That is so cool. A couple other common questions people want to know. The battery life is about 70,000 hours. I'm not going to test that for you. I don't have the time to test that for you. Plus it comes with 2 batteries, so even if they were wrong and it only lasted 35,000 hours, if they were off by 50%, you still get 35,000 hours and then another battery with another 35,000 hours of battery time. So don't worry about the battery thing. This little bad boy here is IPX6 rated for weatherproofing. Now, I said I was going to share one possible negative with you. So the one possible negative that I have heard with this, and it is true, is that when you look through it, there is definitely like a little bit of a blue tinge to it. Let me see if I can do that. Let's see if we can put me in there. See how I have a little bit of a blue tinge to me? I don't know who cares about that, but people do. I've seen it in the comments. I absolutely do not. If you look blue on the other end of this thing, it's not gonna help you. This thing is so freaking cool. You can't possibly go wrong with this. If you want to get this, there is a link here on the screen. There's another one down there below in the description. I'm going to remind you again, the brand did provide this to me to have this conversation with you, but trust me, they didn't say, hey, look, show them that you have a little blue tint in the window. I really like this. I think you should get it for yourself. Please use those links. It definitely helps out the channel a little bit. If I've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments, Do you care that my face looks a little blue there or not? Let me know. I'm curious if that little blue tint makes any difference to you or not. Makes no difference to me. I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in the next one.